In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 2-hour time frame on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open NinjaTrader and go to time frames here. So click on it. As you can see, we have the minute, the seconds, and we don't have the hours here. So all you have to do is you have to go to minutes, and as you can see, we have here 60 minutes. So this is 1 hour. So all we have to do is we have to make a 120 minute. 120 minutes equals 2 hours. Okay. So click on configure. Make sure you are in minutes here. Then click on add. Go to value and type here 120. We have here label, type 2 hour or 2H like this. Click on OK. Click on apply and click on OK. Now, if we go to our time frames here, as you can see, we have here minutes and we have 2 hour. So if we click on it, this is our 2-hour time frame. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.